let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Like black leather glove, no seat.
Hey y'all, good afternoon. How are you doing? Welcome back to a new vlog. So yeah, I don't understand. It's not that I'm doing it though. What if you? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time seeing me. I am Naz. No, that's not what I'm supposed to say. Hey y'all, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to a new vlog. So yeah, today is the 24th. Tomorrow is 5th. Today is 4th. Are you doing for tomorrow? Like it's for tomorrow's day. No, 4th. Like I wish today's date. So wow. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So welcome back to a new vlog. So I just got back from school because I went to upload the vlog for today, which is Vlogmas Day 4, and I just edited this one because tomorrow is Naya's birthday and today is the 4th of December. So we are going to be going out to take pictures. See how she's saying like house help. So we are going to be going out to take pictures. I'm going to be taking you through the process, and my other friend is here. Bia, come and say hi to the camera. So B is here. B, you people know V, right? B, come and say hi now. you don't know that V already pierced her nose. Come and show them. Come and show them. Hey guys. I'm left alone. So guys, we are going out. So I'm going to take you people out with me. Is that in blurry? I don't know. Just watch the process. See you guys. Bye.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000 pieces. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Like, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded.
So hey guys, I'm done doing the makeup. So yeah, I'm about to do mine. But before that, since I went to school, I want to just freshen up a bit and then iron my clothes. I decided to wear this clothes. So possibly when I'm done dressed, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. But I just pray it comes out fine. I just want to wear something very simple and still classy. So that's just it. So see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, final look. So it's time to do fit check. Yeah, fit check. No, stand up so they'll see what you're wearing. Okay.
Hey, I don't call things for resale, don't do iCloud, don't do email. Feds wanna top up, man, and wild, man, like trucks with detail. Back when Ricky was doing up Teasdale, I was doing dinner with TZ. I didn't trust no one, swore got line, niggas got too breezy. Nico never move Nike, sweatsuit Nike, sweatsuit DG. It might get beaky, ring, call up GG, boom, I'm easy. If you look up to a man from certain hands. Black leather glove, no seat. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide. Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, killing this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you the pain. Sure, it's a thriller in a track. Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide. Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Killing this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it now, baby now. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Yeah. Won't stop, yeah, never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spot. Other than the family, I got it's either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep where they staying. Black leather glove, no seat. Buckles on the jacket, it's a leaf.
So I'm gonna go ahead and catch up on my notes.
Hey y'all! So you guys, I know I took a while, like I've not been here for some time now, but I'm fine. Yeah, I took some couple of days and now it's game time, bitches. Okay you guys, so yeah, I took some time off. Why? Because you guys want to break my heart and I said no, I don't want a heartbreak. So yeah, but guys, I got something to unbox with you people. I got a lot of new things I'm going to be unboxing on camera with you guys. But before then, I want to tell you why I stopped doing vlogmas, because yeah, I know it's like 1 week or thereabout and I announced I was going to be doing vlogmas. I stopped because you guys were not watching. That's just it. I spent roughly 2,000 on a good day. Let's say I didn't spend so much. I'll spend like 1,500 on data to upload, and guess what? I get 9 views after 1 hour, 2 views after 1 hour. Like how? The last one I got 2 views in a day, like in a complete day. 2 views, like 2 views only. It was frustrating when on a norm in 1 hour I get almost 100 views. So you can imagine, in 1 hour 100 views and in a day 2 views. So it was really nothing to keep working for. So I can't be spending like 2,000 every day and spend 2,000 for 24 days, which is like 48,000 or more, and I don't get views. It doesn't worth the expense or whatever. So I was not like, maybe I shouldn't do for this year, let me just build my followers for now, then possibly next year do a proper vlogmas. I don't even know how I'm looking on this head warmer, but I just hope I'm fine. So you guys, so yeah, and then moving forward to the unboxing, I got, hold on, I got 3 new bricks, guys. Okay, then this one, let me start from this one. This one over here, I already started this book. This was meant to be my book for November read, because I made a decision early this year that I was going to be reading at least 1 book every month. Like in every month I'll read 1 book. So this was my read for November, I guess. Yeah, but I borrowed from someone and started reading this book, but along the line the owner of the book was like, he wants his book and I had to order mine. So yeah, this is the first thing, and this is actually a good buy. I love it so much. Yep, so it came from an Instagram handle. Maybe check the description box for it. Then this other one, this is Smart Money Woman. I've heard of this book for like a couple of times and I really wanted to read, so I got this, and then I got this. So this other one, this, a lot of you know about Rich Dad Poor Dad. I just wanted to own one myself. I've read this book a couple of times, but I wanted one for myself, like my book, and I'm still going to read like over and over. So this was a good buy. So here they are. So yeah, there are the 3 books. Then moving further to the next unboxing on camera. So guys, you know what is this? This is my baby. So you guys, I got this from, this is my first time shopping from Zara, like Zara as a company. So yeah, but I got this from they're a distributor or like a personal shopper from Zara company in Nigeria. So yeah, she shipped it for me. This cost about 17,800, I guess. That was the expense. The perfume itself was like 16k. Then I gave it to a dispatch rider. Can you imagine how I'm unboxing? So guys, this is how it is. This is how the pack is from the box, like out of the box. So then this pack was already bad. See, it's bad, but like this is the proper way. Like I have to open it from here. So let's just ignore the fact that here is bad and open it like on it.
Hey, I don't cop things for resale, don't do iCloud, don't do email. Feds wanna top up, man, and wild, man, like trucks with detail. Back when Ricky was doing up Teasdale, I was doing dinner with Teasy. I didn't trust no one, swore got line, niggas got too greasy. Nico never move Nike, sweatsuit Nike, sweatsuit DG. If man get beaky, ring ring, call up Gigi, boom, I'm easy. If you look up to a man from certain hands with
Smells heavenly, to be precise. And this is a floral scent. This is a floral scent. It's not so, but from the review I got, actually I ordered 2 of this perfume. I ordered red vanilla and femme. That was the 2 I ordered. So but by the time femme was coming in, she said the femme that was available wasn't just on a single, like it came with a hand cream. It's a hand cream or a body cream, but I know that was like there was a cream attached to the femme. So I was not like, no, I don't want anyone like with cream. And it was going to, like, I was supposed to pay like an extra fee if I wanted the one with cream. So paying like 16k, I was supposed to pay like, let's say maybe 17 or even 20, I don't know, but I know it was higher, so I just took this one. So I love these. That's basically the update. That's the new thing. So guys, funny enough, after getting this, I don't know if this is a coincidence or if it's planned, all my perfumes have this color, that's red and black. Why? This is the new perfume to my collection. This is red and black, right? This is another one. This is the one I've been using for a long time. This is red and black, right? This is the one I told you someone gifted me, and it was like, this perfume cost for like 56k, red and black as well. So guys, can you tell me why these 3 perfume I'm holding in my hand is red and black? Like why? Sha, whichever way, no bad. So guys, we move. This year 2021, I did not buy clothes, guys. I did not buy clothes. 2022, I am going to change my entire wardrobe. This guy is actually shining light on my eye. Are you high? So yeah, but I'm going to change. Stop now, I'm filming a video. Stop, Jerry. No, stop now. So next year I'm going to change my entire wardrobe. Guys, get ready for let me not say what I cannot do, but next year I'm going to try to change my wardrobe. People have been seeing all my clothes. By now you should just know the whole clothes I have or I own to myself, because I've worn them like over and over and over and over. So there's nothing new. Yep, so that is that. We see tomorrow. Catch y'all. I'll just go take my bath, lie down, sleep. I don't know if I'm still going to be doing another thing, but we'll see. Yep. That is
about the days when we were young. I'll take the hit and still finish.